Hi everyone and welcome to another video from coingraph.org. I haven't done any video for a very long time. Basically throughout the whole crypto bear market, I have focused on the different things because crypto bear market, right? So why would you basically go through all the negativeness of crypto bear market? Even though I know it's not negative, it's just to wait a little bit and it's gonna be soon over. Right, if you've been in the 4 year cycle through the 4 year cycle in crypto, you will understand and you will know what I mean. Anyway, here is the video of my BitGap account, which is the bot trading platform. It's not free platform. It's you can get a free trial, but basically basic subscription is for I believe $20 a month, and then there are two more higher subscription which gives you basically more options, more features, more bots, and so on and so forth. So I haven't done any bots for a very long time, as I said, throughout the whole bear market. But about 2, 3 days ago, I started one bot. I noticed that basically some of the altcoins went up, so I used this kind of situation and started two of the bots. One bot 3 days ago, and one bot about one day ago. So the first bot that I start, or the second bot I started one day ago, as you can see over here, it's 22 hours and 13 minutes ago. Actually, it's not even one day. And since then, it has done 2.66%, which is pretty good, like pretty significant. I invested in around $1,700, or around 17, $1,800. I believe it was around 18. And it has done me the profit of $49.7. So let's say $50 in 24 hours in one day, right? It's gonna be soon $50. It's not even 24 hours yet. So $50 in one day with $1,800 investment, very good, right? I I I suppose this is the kind of profit that you are aiming for, right? It's not a huge profit, but with a huge profit, there is a risk also involved. But it's a quite good profit, $50 a day with $1,800 investment, almost 3% in one day. So as you can see here, this is my grid, and here I started around 17 cents per coin, and since then it went down a bit over the time. But as you can see, it was going up and down and up and down and up and down. This is the 15-minute candle chart, right? So each of these candles here, as you can see, the green and red candles, it's 15 minutes. So let's have a look how it looks like in the bigger detail, right? This is how it looks like, right? So each candle and each dot on the candle represents the trade, right? Either buy or sell, depending where your line in the grid is moving up or down. But 24 hours, $50, very good. The second one here, I started 3 days ago, is Dogecoin with BTC. And this one, I kind of, I wasn't sure if to start a Dogecoin with BTC, but it has been quite a good choice because in general, these bigger coins that are basically in the top 10, right? Like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, right? And or Ripple and others, Dogecoin as well included, they they tend to move much less than the coins that are much smaller. So, and specifically when you basically put together two coins like this. But I didn't know what's gonna happen, and it really paid off, kind of, right? So basically, I'm earning Bitcoin with the Dogecoin, right? So basically, I'm not earning a dollar or USDT Tether dollar based, but Bitcoin. That's what I'm earning, right? Here it shows the value in dollar, right? But actually I earn in Bitcoin. So in 3 days, nearly 3 days, it has done $60 in Bitcoin with $1,800 investment, right? Again, pretty good, right? I like these numbers. You can see 1% a day. Who gives you the 1% a day? That's pretty significant, I believe. So in 3 days, 3% out of $1,800 investment. So again, this is really looking good. I don't think that I need to adjust anything or change anything. I just leave it to go. I just will change things once it falls under the grid or above the grid, because I didn't set up the trailing down or up for this coin for the reasons that I'm not going to go into. But once it goes over the grid, and or once it goes above the grid or under the grid and stays there for quite a while, so it has to go over the grid quite well and stay there, I will do some actions. But right now, I'm really happy with what I see. You can see here is the 15-minute chart of Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and you can see it's being traded all the way nicely like this. Each trade, each dot represents one trade, couple of cents, 20, 30, 18 cents, something like that, depending on on your settings. But here's one more thing I want to go over, and it's the coin value. Bec- uh, because I've been doing some math, and many times I've been doing the bots in the past, and they went significantly up in price, right? Basically, it would go way up. Like if this bot went way up, and I had a trailing up, so the grid would follow. You basically kind of a losing value, and I noticed that many times if I would just hold coin, and wait it, uh, I would gain so much more. Like I would gain like 100% more in value, but it's not. I noticed also that it's not the case always, especially when your coin goes in the grid like this up and down and doesn't basically go too way up or way down. So let's have a look at this, right? So what I have invested originally in this was investment of $1,865, which was around 10,842 tokens of this coin, one ring. So if I do the math, right, let's have a look. Here we have $1,762 is the value, right? So it looks like I have lost something, right? It looks like. But you have to understand that I have started the bot and invested in when the coin was here on 17 cents per coin, not 15 something, right? So basically the value of of my holdings in the coin was higher, therefore investment of 1,865. But if I just hold the coins and it went down like this, basically my what I would have is not 1,865, it would be much less. So let's do some math. I already calculated, right? The number of tokens uh, times basically the price of the token, which gives you the $1,713, right? That's what I would have if if I would basically sell the coins right now for the price. Well, it's going up and down, so it's a little bit less now even. So it's probably gonna be under the $1,600 a little bit. But this is what it would be, $1,700, right? But if you have a look here, my current value without the profit, right? Without the bought profit is $1,762. So basically, I have like around $60 more, and on top of it, I have $50 basically profit. So it's around $110, give or take a couple of dollars better than if I would hold the coins and start selling now. So I believe these bots are really, they have the place in basically making money. Like it's not always the most profitable way or better way, but it's a good way in many scenarios, like in this kind of scenario. I will do another video later, so we'll see how these bots perform in the future. But as far as it goes now, I am really happy. So thanks very much for watching and talk later.